Hello everyone, it's Jan Monahan with another Washi Tape Wednesday. Today we're going to be doing a birthday card with several different colors of washi tape. I found this tube of washi tape in a bin at Michael's, and I liked the colors and what it said, so I thought I'd use it. What I'm using today is the washi tape, some double-sided tape. There is a die by Poppy Stamps, and I've looked on their website, and they do not make this particular one anymore. The only place I did find it was on eBay. So if you like this, you might want to check eBay. And this is what the die comes up with, a happy birthday in script. Oh, yeah, there it is. And the only thing I didn't like about this, and it's a problem with every die that has a die or has an I or small letter J. I seem to lose the dot over the I, so I'm cheating here and putting it on with a black marker. This is a fairly simple card, and I'm going to speed this up and let you listen to some nice music, and I'll be with you when the project is through. I have decided to put some washi tape on this envelope, and the man I usually consult is on vacation right now as far as whether it's going to go through the processors or not. But you might want to put another layer of double-sided tape on this, or just leave it out. Anyway, that is a quick and simple happy birthday card. And if you've got wonderful handwriting like I don't, you don't even have to have the die. But here this is, and I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll be back very soon with another Washi Tape Wednesday. Thanks for watching.